Are you missing those days when you were used to travel without any fear and restrictions? Of course, yes. But due to COVID 19, this is not happening with us nowadays. Tour operators, travel agents, land, sea, air transportation, everything is affected by this COVID 19. Do you think the traveling is as easy as before? Are hotels safe? How could one understand the country is open? Do you have to even travel now? If yes, then stay tuned till the end of this video. Hello friends, I'm Ankita Khandelwal. I'm going to help you out in making your future travel plan. So let's get started. As we know, after coronavirus, millions have gotten sick. Many thousands have lost their lives. Full economics are stopped working. In mere a matter of weeks, entire countries fully locked themselves down and closed their borders to guests. Cancelled flights, empty planes, and trains, quiet airport. This is what the impact of coronavirus epidemic. Therefore, at the time of planning a trip, you have to check about destination. What destinations are open? The list of nations that is open changes phenomenally. Some are all for international guests, whereas others are open only for neighboring countries. Some bans, whereas some countries need travelers to show a negative report of COVID 19. Just like Maldives needs a check before and during the visit. What are the norms of airlines? Flying for the predictable future goes to be the different. Currently, most airlines require passengers to wear masks, although social distancing control is inconsistent. The boarding method has been modified to scale back interactions and support physical distancing, as social distancing is matters a lot nowadays. When should you book the trip? The travel industry is not going to recover soon. Hence, you should not travel until the world recover from COVID-19. I would like to suggest not to travel until the government lifts the restrictions. For now, you should keep patience. Research well and list down everything you need to organize the next trip close to home that you always wanted to explore but never had a chance. The border will open gradually. If you wait now, you can travel with no restrictions later. The next one is which criteria hotels and guest houses are following. Accommodations in several cities or countries are closed, but hotels, guest houses that are open and allowing travelers have to follow the guidelines which is given by government, just like temperature and health checks of guests on arrival, enhanced medical aid and cleanup of the arrival counter and customary areas, just like pools, fitness centers, etc. Adjustment to common areas to take care of social distancing. How travel trend has changed. In 2020 has been a year no other like, says Roger Block, president of Travel Leaders Network. The pandemic has changed all type of international travel, changing the face and the mindset of travelers. Travelers are now more cautious, aware of cleanliness standards and practice, which have forced airlines and hotels to impose new sanitization protocols. There was a pre-coronavirus world, and currently we will forever be in an exceedingly post-coronavirus world. This is worse than a recession because in an exceeding recession, some individuals will afford to travel. At last, I want to give you some necessary hygiene advice. Just like you have to wash your hands for 20 seconds, wear a mask and keep changing your mask within a certain time. Refrain from touching your face, maintain at least 1 meter distance from others and wear a mask while talking to someone. Cover a sneeze or cough with a tissue or bent elbow and immediately dispose of the issue in a closed lid bin. Avoid touching eyes, nose and mouth.